Good evening students. Today we are going to learn how to find trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Actually in 10th class there are 5 specific angles for which we have to find trigonometric ratios, and they are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree it is deleted for this session. So we will learn how to find trigonometric ratios for 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. In this series, first we will learn how to derive the value of trigonometric ratios for 45 degree angle. Now we will think in which geometric figure we can find 45 degree. So you can see here I have drawn an isosceles right angle triangle. ABC, triangle ABC, it is an isosceles right angled triangle. It is an isosceles right angled triangle. So if I take AB as x, then BC will also be x. If I take this side as x centimeter or x meter, then BC will also be x. And AC is the longest side, as you know. This is AC, longest side. So let us take AB is equal to BC is equal to x. Again I am repeating, it is an isosceles right angle triangle. It is right angled at B, and AB is equal to BC because it is isosceles right angle triangle, and AC is hypotenuse. Now in this figure we will calculate AC. We can apply Pythagoras theorem here. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or we can say AC square is equal to x square plus x square, or AC square is equal to 2x square. Then what will be the value of AC? AC is equal to square root of 2x square, that is x root 2. So the value of hypotenuse will be x root 2. So we have got length of AB, length of BC and length of AC in terms of x. Now see, if I am standing here, this angle is 45 degree because it is an isosceles triangle. Then we already know in any triangle, if opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles will also be equal. This angle is already 90 degree because it is a right angle triangle, and these two angles are equal and their sum will be 90 degree. So each angle will be 45 and 45. This angle will be 45 degree and this angle will also be 45 degree. I am standing here, I am looking from this point, and now we will calculate the value of sine of this angle, means sine 45. By definition, what is the sine of an angle? It is nothing but the ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse. So what is the perpendicular? If I am standing, if I am looking from this point, then it is perpendicular and it is hypotenuse. So this is x by x root 2, that is 1 by root 2. So the value of sine 45 will be 1 by root 2. In the same way, by definition, we will find the value of cos 45 degree. Cos of any angle, by definition, it is ratio of base to hypotenuse. Base to hypotenuse. For this angle, this is base, this is hypotenuse, then it is x upon x root 2, again 1 by root 2. The value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. In the same way, we can find the value of tan 45. See here, if you have got the value of sine 45 and cos 45, then you can use the formula tan 45 it is equal to sine 45 degree upon cos 45 degree. By using that formula, you can find the value of tan 45, or you can use by definition tan of any angle, it is ratio of perpendicular to base. So x by x that is 1. यहां से भी आप ये वैल्यू 1 निकलेगी. एंड इफ यू यूज द फार्मूला tan 45 tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, tan 45 is equal to sin 45, that is 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2 1. So from by definition you can find the value of tan 45, or you can use formula. In the same way, for finding the value of cot 45 you can directly use, that is cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So cot 45 degree, it is 1 upon tan 45 degree, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Or you can find it by definition. By definition क्या है? It is ratio of base to perpendicular, that is x by x 1. Definition से भी आप निकाल सकते हैं, or you can use formula. In the same way, sec 45 is nothing but the reciprocal of cos 45. तो आप cos 45 का reciprocal कर सकते हैं 1 by root 2, then the value of sec 45 will be root 2. Or by definition, sec 45 it is ratio of hypotenuse to base, that is x root 2 upon x, that is root 2. In the same way, cosec 45 degree, see, cosec 45 degree, we know cosec theta is the reciprocal of, or we can say multiplicative inverse of sin 45. sin 45 का उल्टा sin 45 का reciprocal होता है cosec 45. तो directly you can write 1 by root 2 का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? root 2. Or you can find it by definition. By definition, cosec 45 is ratio of hypotenuse to perpendicular, x root 2 upon x, that is root 2. So these are trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. Which figure we will use? We will use an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means sides will be equal. If AB is x, then BC will also be x, and then we will use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem can be applied for a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will calculate the value of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse की value हम लोग निकालेंगे. Now we have all three sides, and we are standing here. If I am here, then it is perpendicular. ये perpendicular होता है, and it is base. ये base है, and it is hypotenuse. Now by definition we can find all trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. In next video, we'll know how to find the trigonometric ratios for 60 degree and 30 degree. Thank you very much for listening.